Welcome back everyone to Grilling with Grove. And what I've got going for you today is we're going to put together our rubs. So first off, we've got a beef rub, and I can't claim that I built this rub myself. This is going to be from AmazingRibs.com. It's called the Bad Beef Rub. One interesting thing from this rub is going to be that it does not have any salt in it. And the reason for that is that you should be salting your meat in accordance with how many pounds your meat is. So it's going to be about a half a teaspoon of salt per pound of meat. And we'll go over that more in the channel as we get to those meats and we dry brine them or salt them before we cook them. So let's get to this rub. Alright, here are the ingredients for the rub. We've got McCormick's coarse ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons. Dominique sugar, pure cane white sugar. It's going to be 1 tablespoon. We've got McCormick's onion powder, 1 tablespoon. McCormick's ground mustard, 2 teaspoons. We've got McCormick's garlic powder, 2 teaspoons. We've got Tsp Ground Ancho chili pepper, 2 teaspoons. And we've got McCormick's Chipotle chili pepper, 1 teaspoon. So we're going to mix this up and get right back with you. So here's that rub all mixed up, and as you can see it has a nice kind of black and white color. If you take a taste test of this, it's going to be a little bit savory with some black pepper and kind of a little bit of heat notes to it. Alright everyone, up next we've got our pork rub. Alright everyone, here's the pork rub laid out for you. In this pork rub we have 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, and a half a teaspoon of red pepper. Alright everyone, let's mix this up and we'll get back with you. Here's the pork rub all mixed up. It's got a nice light red color, and I went ahead and gave this a taste, and it's got some sweet to it, it's got some heat, and it's got a lot of savory. It should be pretty good on pork. That's all that I have for you today. If you liked the video, go ahead and share it with your friends. Hit that like button, please subscribe, and please, most of all, go ahead and make this yourself so you can follow along with the channel.